known lowlife of the neighborhood, a wannabe gangster who had the word thug tattooed on his neck.
Russell Thrill was, by his own account, really a hustler. He would sell guns, he would sell drugs, anything that came into his possession and he could make $1 from, he would sell it.
Just a few months earlier, in the fall of 1985, the talk was not of killers and witnesses, but of wedding venues and flower arrangements. Rob's family is delighted over gaining such a wonderful daughter-in-law.
They were all for the wedding. They liked Teresa.
Starbuck has spilled his food dish, so the dogs have all been trying to get around the X-Pen to get all the little nibbles. And Starbuck just loves Abriella. And Abriella's my newest one. She was sent up from Southern California, absolutely terrified. First night I had to pour her out of the crate. She was biting and snapping and growling. And as you can see, she's made herself quite at home. She's very relaxed. She now lets me pick her up and pet on her and love on her. She's a sweet, sweet girl. She was deemed unsocialized and aggressive. But Sherry Esther went down and evaluated her and said she's just terrified. So anyway, she was right. She's, hi, sweetheart. You're so pretty. It's a good, pretty girl. Yes, you are. And my little Addie down here is kind of jealous, so, but that's okay. Huh? Yes, she's a good girl. You gonna go play with the puppy? Go play with Starbuck. He needs a little attention. You're such a sweet girl. I don't know, she has a little growth on her back that we're gonna have taken care of when she's spayed. Huh, we just have to get her to trust me so I can put her in the crate and take her to the vet. And she's getting there. She's a good girl. She's very pretty. And I know once we get her used a little bit more used to people, she'll be just a love. She's just so sweet. You're so sweet. You're the sweet girl, huh? And then Augie's going to be coming home, and he'll be her new playmate. I know he will once he feels better. Huh, that's a good girl. Hey, Starbuck, are you spilling your food and water again? Huh? Is he doing that again? Starbuck. He's a pistol. If I let him loose in the house, oh my God, he takes off like a bullet. He's so sweet and so tiny. He's 2.5 pounds. Anyway, I'm going to send this video to Megan up in Nevada because that's going to be his permanent foster mama starting the 8th. Anyway, that's our new boy. And this beautiful girl here is our new girl, Abriella. This is Abriella. She looks like she might have a little doxy in her face. Her little face looks a little bit doxy-ish. But boy, is she a peach. Oh, does that feel good? Oh, yeah, we're getting used to being touched. I think we like it. Huh? Do you like it? Yes. I think she does. Okay, say that's it.